How to earn money through content creation. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about one of the most exciting ways to earn money online, work from home, content creation. If you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, an Instagram page or a blog but did not know how to make money from it, this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what content creation actually means. So content creation is the process of creating valuable or entertaining content for an audience. This can include videos, photos, blogs, podcasts or social media posts. Your goal is to educate, entertain, inspire or solve problems for your audience. Now let's talk about where you can create content. Some of the most popular platforms are YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, blogging website, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. You don't need to be on every platform. Start with one platform, learn it well, and then expand. One of the biggest questions beginners ask is what should I create content about? You can choose any topic you are interested in, such as online earning, AI tools, digital marketing, technology, fashion, beauty, fitness, cooking, travel, education, gaming, finance, motivation, and product reviews. Choose a niche that you enjoy and can consistently create content about. Now let's talk about the steps to begin. First, choose your niche, then create your content on your preferred platform. Plan your content ideas, record your videos or write your blogs posts, edit your content and publish it regularly. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Now comes the most important part. How do content creators make money? There are several ways, like YouTube ads. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn money from advertisements shown on your videos. Then brand sponsorships. Companies may pay you to promote their product or services. Then affiliate marketing. Share your product links with your audience. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Selling digital product. Sell a ebook, Canva template, online courses or planners directly to your audience. Selling your own service. Offer service like video editing, graphic design, coaching, consulting or social media management. The more value you provide, the more opportunities you have to earn. To become a successful content creator, it's helpful to learn video editing, basic graphic design, SEO, content writing, public speaking, storytelling. These skills will improve your content and help you grow faster. Many pupils quit because they expect instant success. Avoid these mistakes. Posting inconsistently, copying other creators, ignoring your audience, giving up too early, focusing only on money instead of providing values. Remember, building an audience takes time. So be calm and hopeful. Before ending the video, here are a few tips. Stay consistent, keep improving your content, learn from analytics, listen to your audience feedback, always provide value before expecting results. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, you can build a long-term online income. Content creation is one of the best ways to build an online career because it allows you to earn from multiple sources while creating something meaningful. If you are thinking about starting, don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, keep learning and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos about online earning, freelancing, AI tools and digital marketing. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.